Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the HighGuard Machine Integrity error caused by secure boot being disabled.
Fix 1. Enable Secure Boot in BIOS. Step 1. Restart your PC and enter BIOS EFI. Press F2 or F10 to escape. Step 2. Go to Boot or Security Settings. Step 3. Set Secure Boot to Enabled. Step 4. Save changes and restart. Fix 2. Switch boot mode to EFI. Step 1. Open BIOS EFI. Step 2. Find boot mode boot option. Step 3. Select UEFI, not legacy or CSM. Step 4. Save and restart. Fix 3. Disable CSM compatibility support module. Step 1. Enter BIOS EFI. Step 2. Go to boot settings. Step 3. Set CSM to disabled. Step 4. Save and restart. Fix 4. Enable TPM2. 0. Step 1. Open BIOS EFI. Step 2. Go to Security Advanced Settings. Step 3. Enable TPM, GFTPM, PTT. Step 4. Save and restart.